Right, quick update about things for one of these, which is a female 3.5 jack thing, which this goes into. And normally I stick this into the phone, play the music. What I recently done though is got one of those Bluetooth dongle things, and I've got it to work so when I plug that in to there, the Bluetooth works, so I can just feed that wire back in there. Otherwise this is long enough so the kids in the back can listen to their music. Right, so just bear with me 1 minute while I hook it up. Yeah. Right, so it's hooked up and I press play and this happens. And I can listen to music. Yeah, right, yeah, it's got a bit wobbly now. Right. Right, so what I do now is press pause there, take out an air, stick that in this doobie what's it, and look, headphones. So now when I play, it's still working, yay. Okay, I'm not sure if this room music is copyrighted or not, so I'm going to stop it here. Okay. Thank you.